Montessori teaches world cultures starting as early as age 3. The goal is to allow children to explore the languages, clothing, food, and animals of each continent in a hands-on way. Children have opportunities to learn to count in Swahili, dress in authentic Chinese clothing, sample food native to a particular country, or even explore foods native to the rainforest. The land and water globe, and continent globe, are special globes used to introduce physical geography. The land and water globe is introduced first and allows children to explore how land and water are represented on a globe. The rough brown sandpaper represents the land. Water is represented by the blue. The colored continent globe introduces the child to the 7 continents. Children learn the name of each continent while associating its color to its shape. For example, our continent, North America, is orange, while Africa is green. This same color code is then applied to the puzzle map. To a child, it can seem impossible that the continent globe is the same as a puzzle map. How can the spherical globe possibly be the same as a flat puzzle map? A lesson using a Play-Doh globe can concretely show the children how they truly are the same. Young children love to work with the puzzle maps. Imagine their excitement in carrying a large puzzle map so large that they need 2 rugs just to hold all the pieces. Each continent has its own puzzle map. As you can imagine, completing the map of Asia, a continent with many countries, is quite an accomplishment for a child. Gradually, children are taught the names of the continents and begin to identify a number of countries, states, and provinces. Children find much joy in pin-pushing a continent map, whether it is pin-pushing a simple continent, such as Antarctica, or the more complex South America map. Children practice their concentration and coordination skills with this activity. Using a pin push traditionally used with bulletin boards and a small carpet square, children meticulously use the push pin to place holes on top of small dots outlining each country of a particular continent on colored construction paper. Eventually, when all the dots have been pin-pushed, the child is left with the outline of the country. Once all the countries have been pin-pushed, the children glue the individual countries onto poster board reconstructing the continent. This activity may take several days to complete. The joy in a child's eyes is simply priceless as they complete their pin-pushed continent map. I did it!
Norman.